if you wish to start any manufacturing unit of your own, you must do planning for 5 years, 10 years down the line. So, if you wish to buy machines, plan machines according to the capacity that you want to produce for 5 years, 10 years, because your machines should be able to match with the demand that you foresee for your products. Secondly, second decision very important for you is whether you want to buy machines from the people who are manufacturing in city, because maintenance is another issue that you should take care of, because whenever your machines go down or there is a breakdown, you must get the maintenance in hand within a short span of time. So, second thing is that. Third is connectivity, whether your factory or the unit is well connected with the roads and especially the bypass of the city, because most of the trucks, the transporters, they prefer locations which is near to the bypass, otherwise they charge you really high for procuring material from your factory and move it to other end. Very important aspect is planning of manpower. Whatever levels that you decide, skilled level, unskilled level laborers, then you have managerial levels, plan according to your production planning. You can always increase and decrease, you do not need to keep them in abundance always. So, and also follow the laws that has been given by state government and central government specifically towards laborers, because they are very sensitive issue and should be taken care of by the startup, because that gives you, these compliances gives you a very strong back end support when you even go for funding.